Be Clean Professionals. We're here on a move out, vacated property, cleaning. As you can see, we got quite the work cut out for us today. Walls need done in here. Pet. We're gonna vacuum all that up, get all that out of here. It's a 3-bedroom house. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, got a nice chandelier, and 3 bedroom. Look at all that mess there. We're gonna get the window seals. Baseboards. Wipe this nook down. This one has some cat litter in here too. There's just pet hair.
We need to take the bag
In here.
for something.
There's trash bags in the back of the car too.
We need more bags. We need more gloves.
All right. The order comes every week. So as you can see, got some onion peels on the floor. Luckily, inside the oven looks great. Wow. That doesn't happen all the time. Inside of the microwave. I still want to clean and sanitize, disinfect. This is different though. Full house. Full house. All right. Stay tuned. All right, so we're all finished here with the cleaning. As you can see, that pet hair is all up. Took a little while. Got the windows and the window seals. It's on the outside. Kitchen area. Cabinets. Just touching up the inside here. It's paint on the floor. Alright. First music. Alright, stay tuned for the next one.